So yeah, welcome back. Just another update on the Scirocco. I've got it all back to bare metal and primed over the weekend. I'll go grab the torch actually. So you can see the whole lot's in primer now. That's the first wheel arch. I did a wee bit around the back. Look underneath here. Nice and primer. It's just one pretty thick coat for a start. I'm just always start doing the seam sealer, and then I'll do another coat of primer on top of that. I'll rough all this primer up and do another coat. So you can see you got the bigger chassis notch put in, so it'll hopefully make it a bit lower in the front now. I did up the wings a bit because there was some not corrosion, but it was getting a bit thin up there. Front of the chassis legs, and then that's me just started the masking up for the seam sealer. It's taking a bit longer than I thought, but I'll give this arch a go, see how it comes out, and then decide if I'm going to do the rest of the car this way or just use the brush and brush it on. Got the seam sealer over there heating up a bit in front of the heater because it is like -1 outside just now, so needs to be a bit of heat in here for it to work. I got a bunch of the aluminium parts, or alloy aluminium parts, back from the blasting the other day as well. So that's the front and rear hubs there. Blasted back. That's just bare aluminium and then lacquer put over the top. So it almost looks like a silver spray paint or like a galvanizing spray, but it is just bare aluminium. Yeah, and I've got all new wheel bearings for them and bushes, and well, the whole car's gonna be poly bushed, so got all that bits and pieces ordered soon. Right, so it's now the next day. Got all the seam sealer done yesterday. I did actually end up running out, but I managed to get some more to finish it off, so get the other coat of primer on today. As you can see here, the masking kind of went okay. Some of the bits I ended up just brushing it on quite thick, but I guess the smaller joins, the masking did an okay job. But when I was peeling the masking tape off, it was kind of wanting to take the edge with it, so I was trying to smooth it back in with my finger. But got most of the, well, we got all the joints done yesterday with seam sealer. All the way underneath. Yeah, I got all the underside done. It is a bit messy almost under here because I ended up just starting using the brush. But it's all sealed, which is an important thing. Right there underneath. Try and show you a bit closer. Yeah, but the raptor liner stuff that I'm putting on should cover a lot of this because it's quite thick, so you shouldn't see it as thick as that, hopefully. Just show you around each arch, but it's all pretty much the same. This one's a bit different obviously because it's got the fuel filler cap hole thingy, but done all the way around. Then underneath there as well, just got the primer warming up a bit next to the fire because again it's really cold today, so obviously most paints have a certain temperature they can work within, and trying to get it up to temperature in here so we can get the other coat of primer on, and then when the raptor liner stuff comes in we'll get it on as well. Right, so I've just got the second layer of primer done on top of the seam sealer. So as you can see, it's all kind of blended in now, if you could say that. The on top of this, well, once this dries, I had the heater on, but it will be a couple of days now before I get the raptor liner stuff to come in, since it's just like, well, it's Christmas Day tomorrow, so the post and stuff has been a bit slow. I did order more primer, but I think this 2 coats is going to be plenty. I've been putting it on pretty thick. It's just been put on with an aerosol, but it's kind of come out an okay finish. It was 12 tins, so about 6 litres of primer, and yeah, it's come out pretty good. Covered up all the seam sealer, so it's less noticeable, kind of, and then hopefully the raptor liner is pretty thick, so it'll be less noticeable again. And then the raptor liner is coming in the same colour as the car, so it's candy white, and then it's probably as close to candy white as I can get it. And obviously I'm pretty sure it's like textured slightly, so it won't be a perfect smooth finish as if it was like paint. I did think about actual painting just on the underside, but to get a decent finish I'd have to go get a compressor and a spray gun and everything like that, and it's never going to stay that clean anyway. Plus it's not going to be I'm not going to have mirrors underneath it shows, so be a bit pointless. Raptor liner, I'll keep it kind of clean-ish, and it'll be easy cleaned once everything's powder coated and stuff like that. I'll just have to take the power washer, wash it all down.